Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I'm just going to do a simple ornament nail just using gel polishes from Model 1s. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you remember the In Wonderland collection, we have White Queen, we have Wonderland, and we have Red Queen. And these two together looks like this. I figured earlier this year that these were going to make a cool collection for Christmas. They do have a Christmas collection out now. Black Friday they had a gorgeous sale. I believe it was 30% off, and then if you use my code you could get another 10% off. So let's play around with some abstract colors in the traditional Christmas colors. This is, let's see, this is African White from Model 1s with White Queen over top to just give it that glittery base of goodness. I've got some green, I might not have enough out, Red Queen and Wonderland, both from Model 1s. I just want to do a little abstract Christmas while we're here. I mean, remember this green? It's like sheer, like this. I'm wiping off with alcohol what I don't want. Wish it was a little thicker. I think I know what I'm going to do now. Are you feeling it? Do you know what I'm going to do? Sometimes it's just easier to make circles with a dotting tool than with a brush. Sometimes your brain just doesn't function and you don't get a circle at all. I'm gonna have to get out another color because I've already changed my mind what I'm gonna do. Some simple data cure to something else. Remember, if your gels are moving on you, just give them a flash cure when they're where you want them. You know me, I don't do evens. Try not to do evens anyways. Make a little small one up here. I don't want it to look like just a dot. See, now we're back to evens, and I don't like evens. So we'll put one right here. Totally not what I planned. I only plan on doing this. Close. Almost thinking I might have to go against my normal rules because the green, it just looks, I should only did one, really. See, now there's 3 and 3, even though it makes 6, it's 2 different colors. It seems to work. Oh, when I'm going out of frame, I am wiping my dotting tool off. Just to get the gel off. Just to get the gel off. You can do this with regular polish. Okay, I'm getting out Dreamy Silver. This was in both of their first 2 collections, Blue Blood and Travelers. But all these you can buy separate now. They now sell them individual bottles. Last I looked, there was a cool sale. Buy 3, get 1 free, I think. had the money, I would be getting some more. Make sure this is fine. Okay. And I'm going to get out a dotting tool of a minuscule size, just because I'm not that great. My little ornaments just need something else to them. And there's always that little thing that's attaching the ornament to the ball or to the string, ribbon, wire, what have you. Make sure mine are attached. This one's just going to be a little bit more silver in it. Give that a cure, top coat it, and you're all done. Now I could have just used my SheModern decals. I want to show you a cool little trick with these. Remember, if you're using them as water decals later, you will need to get out something else. The alcohol markers are fine if you're going to do it after you remove them off of the backing. But if you're going to remove them, color them in before, you need to get out paint markers. I haven't even used these yet. Give it a little try. And look, you can just color them in. There we go. It's coming out. Like I said, I haven't used these. And you can just take it. Get this out of my way. I already have a green hand. You can just color in the little holly leaves. Let that dry thoroughly before you use it. But now it won't come off with the water at all. It's kind of a cool little idea. I just saw the other day that they're back to selling the two-tone ornaments. So you don't actually have to color them in by yourself. This is a pretty cool trick. I like that. I'll show you what the regular Sharpie looks like. This was already on my nail. If it comes off, I can just put it back on. These are the hollow ones. These things are fun to color. I like putting down, stamping images on my nails, fake nails, what have you, and just coloring in over them. Bad part is I don't always get to film it because I'm not feeling very good. That's kind of cool. It still shows the hollow through. I don't know if you can see that, but the hollow is showing through. If you wanted to know, this is the Mixed Arts 18. Had bought tons of it. Wanted to use them for Christmas. And I will be using them on myself. Even if I can't color my nails, I will slap those on. Okay, that was just a cute little nail art using African white from Model 1s as the base. I used White Queen as the topper. Then I used Wonderland. Yeah, you have to just re-straighten up the lids. Wonderland for the green, Red Queen for the red, and Dreamy Silver for the accents in here. And if you wanted to, you could just use the SheModern decals and put your own ornaments right on your nail. It's just a quick little alternative. You could use a mixture of the two. That would be great as well. For instance, you could put the ornaments on and draw a tree or draw lines or whatever you like. It's just pretty cool. And these are very flat, and I do see the hollow in this one. This one, not so much. Could have did a little better job coloring them in. But that's just a cool little quick nail art. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe if you haven't already. At the end, I will have a picture with me wearing this. A cute little picture for you to enjoy, so stay tuned to the end. Also, Thursday will be the collaboration for Christmas nails. I hope you'll be here to enjoy that as well. I will hopefully be able to participate. Upload will be about the same time as today. So thank you everyone for being here. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.